Friends, in today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Coca-Cola company stock. My dear friends, this stock is currently on a verge of breakout due to multiple positive factors trigger on the stock simultaneously, and as a result, it allowed us an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate and buy position before an upside rally gets started. My dear friends, this stock is trading almost near to an important resistance level, and if that level get break along with multiple positive factors which has been already materialized, then we could see a massive upside rally from the current price. We can see an immediate upside move of 7 to 8% from the current price. So my dear friends, we are at the right spot. We can initiate and buy position before a massive upside rally get trigger. If you could make a closer look over here, this was on top where the stock had started the corrections in the form of downward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with back to back lower lows. If you could see over here, the first lower lows here, the second lower lows over here, the third lower lows, and the last lower lows over here. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, first time we have seen the lower lows shifted to higher highs, and here we got a two major positive signal. The first positive signal is downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, and the second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever we see the lower lows shift are getting shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the corrections and it's ready for an upside move. As long as its lower lows is protected, as long as its lower lows, as long as its previous lower lows is protected, the stock is all set, the stock is all ready for an upside move. And my dear friends, if you place an RSI indicators, even you will surprise to know that even the diversion is giving you a positive signal. Here we are getting a positive diversion. If you see the price action last swing, the last lower low swing on the downside, and the RSI swing on the upper end, and this is an area where we got a breakout and it's going to blast on the upside. And finally, my dear friends, if you'll see over here, you will be able to witness the parallel channel breakout over here. My dear friends, if you'll see, this is a neckline of the breakout, and you know the stock has already given a breakout above the neckline, and very soon you will see the stock will be reaching to $68, and there will be a resistance in between, as that will be somewhere around $65. So there is a possibility that stock may came to retest after facing and rejection near the resistance. There is a possibility that stock may go to the resistance first, and it may face an rejection, and it may came down to retest the neckline of the yellow line, and then it may go to the original targets. So my dear friends, you have to keep your mindset ready, and once this 65 get break, you will see the immediate move towards the target of $68. And finally, my dear friends, this area of neckline will going to act as a very important support because multiple positive factors got triggered over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side. This was an area where we have seen the lower lows shifted to higher highs. This was an area where we have seen the positive diversion between the price action and the RSI, and this was an area where we have seen the parallel channel breakout. So with all these positive factors, this area which was earlier an resistance has now turned into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. My dear friends, this is it for today's. If you like my analysis, if you love my analysis, and if you are earning from my analysis, then please give like to my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.